In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for Facebook page. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my Facebook page, and the first thing I'm going to do is make sure I'm on the correct page that I want to create the QR code for. Once you're here, just take a quick look and confirm it's the right one, because the link we copy is going to be tied directly to this page. Now what I'm going to do is copy the page URL. So I'll go up to the address bar, highlight the full link, and then copy it. If you're on mobile, you can usually tap the share option or find the link and copy it from there. The main goal is just to grab that page link so we can use it in the next step. Alright, once that's copied, I'm going to switch over to a QR code generator website. So just open a new tab or browser window and go to any QR code generator site. There are a lot of them out there, so just pick one that lets you paste a link and generate a code. Now that I'm on the generator website, you'll usually see a field where you can enter a URL. So I'm going to click into that field, and then I'll paste the Facebook page link that I copied earlier. Just make sure it's the full link and that it looks correct before moving on. Once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and click on the button that says Create QR Code. It might say something slightly different depending on the site, but it's usually very similar, so I'll click that now. And it starts generating the QR code right away. And there it is, the QR code shows up on the screen. At this point, it's already linked to your Facebook page, so anyone who scans it will be taken directly to your page. You don't need to do anything extra here, since the link we pasted is what the code is based on. If you need to, you can repeat the same process for any other page. Just go back, copy a different page URL, paste it into the generator, and create another QR code. It's the same steps every time, so once you've done it once, it's really quick to do again. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Just go to your Facebook page, copy the link, head over to a QR code generator, paste it in, and create the code. Once it's generated, it's ready to use right away.